On our first stop outside the solar system, there's a star closer to us than you might think. Let's talk about Proxima Centauri. Proxima Centauri is a small but mighty red dwarf in the Alpha Centauri system. Even though it's way dimmer than our Sun, it's famous for being our nearest stellar neighbor. Here's where it gets really cool. Astronomers have discovered exoplanets orbiting Proxima Centauri. The star's most famous planet? Proxima Centauri b. This rocky world is just a bit bigger than Earth and orbits in the habitable zone, meaning it have the right conditions for liquid water. Imagine, another planet nearby could possibly support life. Scientists are super excited, using powerful telescopes to learn more about Proxima Centauri and its planets. So next time you look up, remember, our cosmic neighbor could be hiding some mind-blowing secrets. Who knows? The next big discovery could be just 4 light-years away. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to subscribe for more amazing space discoveries and updates. See you in the next adventure. I'm about to blow your mind with our nearest star system. Think the Sun is lonely? Think again. Let's meet its cosmic neighbors. Okay, picture this. You zoom out from Earth, past the Sun, and the very next star system you'd bump into is Alpha Centauri. But here's the twist. Alpha Centauri isn't just one star, it's actually a trio. We've got Alpha Centauri A, Alpha Centauri B, and their shy little buddy Proxima Centauri tagging along. A and B are like cosmic dance partners twirling around each other while Proxima hangs out a bit farther away. And get this, Proxima is actually the closest star to us after the Sun. If you're planning an interstellar road trip, Alpha Centauri is your first stop. If you love mind-blowing space facts and want to learn more, hit like, smash subscribe, and join our galaxy of fans. See you next orbit. This is gonna blow your mind. Barnard's star is zipping through space faster than any other star near us. But that's just the start. Barnard's star sits just 6 light-years away, pretty much next door in cosmic terms. It's a red dwarf, which means it's smaller, cooler, and way dimmer than our Sun. You can't see it with the naked eye, but astronomers love it because it's moving super fast across our sky. Here's the cool part. In 2018, scientists spotted hints of an exoplanet, Barnard star B, possibly orbiting this speedy star. If it's real, it's a chilly world, likely covered in ice, and orbiting right on the edge of the star's habitable zone. Now, back in the 1970s, the British Interplanetary Society dreamed up a mission called Project Daedalus, an ambitious plan to send a probe to Barnard's star. It would have been humanity's first real step toward interstellar travel. So, want more space secrets and cosmic fun? Smash that subscribe button and join our stellar community. I'm sure you've heard the news. Our solar system isn't alone in the neighborhood. There's a new star system in town. Say hello to Lumen 16. So, what's the deal with Lumen 16? First off, it's not just a single star, it's a double act. Lumen 16 is actually a pair of brown dwarfs, which are basically failed stars. Too small to start proper nuclear fusion, but too big to be called planets. Think of them as the cosmic middle children. Now here's the cool part. Lumen 16 is just about 6.5 light-years away from us. That makes it the 3rd closest system to our Sun, right after Alpha Centauri and Barnard's star. If the universe had a next-door neighbor award, Lumen 16 would totally be in the running. But what about exoplanets? Well, scientists have been on the lookout, and in 2013, they noticed a weird wobble in one of the brown dwarfs. This wobble could be a clue that there's a planet, or even a super cool rogue world, orbiting around Lumen 16. But, spoiler alert, nothing's confirmed yet. So, for now, no official exoplanets, but the hunt is definitely on. One last fun fact. Because Lumen 16 is so close, astronomers can actually track its movement across the sky over just a few years. It's like watching a neighbor move their lawn furniture, except, in space. So next time you look up at the stars, remember, Lumen 16 is just down the cosmic street waiting for us to discover its secrets. Stay curious, and keep looking up. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more cosmic discoveries. See you in the next adventure. If you thought Pluto was chilly, wait till you hear about this cosmic freezer. WISE 08550714 isn't your typical star. In fact, it's technically a sub-brown dwarf. Think of it as a star that never quite made it to full stardom. This weird wonder is just 7.2 light-years away, which makes it one of our closest neighbors. But what's really wild, it's colder than the North Pole, around -48 to -13 degrees Celsius. That's so cold it could freeze water. And nope, scientists haven't spotted any exoplanets hanging around it yet, but with temps like that, who could blame them? It's so faint you'd never see it without super advanced telescopes, but it's out there, quietly floating through space. So next time you think stars are all hot and fiery, remember WISE 08550714, the cosmic overachiever at being underwhelming. If you learned something cool today, hit like and subscribe for more awesome space facts. Catch you on the next trip across the universe. Not a Star Trek fan but love mind-blowing space facts? Then Wolf 359 is the star you've got to know about. Spoiler, it's got a galactic pop culture twist. Wolf 359 sounds like a robot's password, but it's actually one of the closest stars to Earth, just 7.8 light-years away. It's a red dwarf, which means it's small, faint, and let's be honest, kinda shy. How faint? If you tried to spot it with your eyes, you'd need superhuman vision. Seriously, it's one of the dimmest stars you'll never see. Unlike its Star Trek fame, where the Borg had a seriously bad day at the Battle of Wolf 359, our Wolf 359 is pretty chill. So far, scientists haven't found any exoplanets orbiting it. Sorry, no alien neighbors here, yet. So next time you're stargazing, remember even the quietest stars can have star power. Hit like and subscribe for more cosmic curiosities. Live long and prosper. What if I told you there's a star closer to us than almost any other, and barely anyone talks about it? This is gonna blow your science-loving mind. Lalanda 21185 sits just about 8.3 light-years away, making it one of the closest stars to Earth, right after the Alpha Centauri system and Barnard's star. But here's the kicker. Even though it's super close, you can't see it with your naked eye because it's a red dwarf. Tiny, cool, and faint. But don't let that fool you. Astronomers have found at least 2 exoplanet candidates buzzing around this star. The most promising? Lalande 21185b, a possible super-Earth that could be rocky and far heavier than our own planet. So next time you're gazing up at the night sky, remember, there's a whole hidden neighborhood nearby, packed with cosmic secrets. If you love uncovering the universe's coolest mysteries, hit like and subscribe for more space facts every week. This is why Sirius outshines almost every other star in the night sky. And why Star Trek fans might give it a wink. Sirius is the brightest star you can see from Earth. Yep, even brighter than most planets. It sits just 8.6 light-years away in the constellation Canis Major, which is Latin for the greater dog. Ancient Egyptians lined up their calendar with Sirius and Star Trek? Captain Kirk's crew once visited the Sirius sector on their adventures. Here's a fun twist. Sirius isn't one star but 2. There's Sirius A, a big shining star, and its tiny faint companion Sirius B, a white dwarf. But if you're hoping for exoplanets, so far none found around Sirius. So next time you spot the dog star, remember, there's a lot more to Sirius than just its sparkle. Like cool space facts? Hit like and subscribe for more cosmic trivia. I'm sure you've heard the news, the universe is vast and full of wonders. But there's more to our galaxy than just bright stars and distant nebulae. It's filled with fascinating systems waiting to be discovered. Enter Gliese 65, one of the coolest duos in our stellar backyard. A pair of stars locked in a cosmic dance, a true spectacle of the universe. Let's check it out. We're about to embark on a journey to a system that might just redefine your understanding of stellar partnerships. Gliese 65, also known as Luyten's star, a name that might not immediately ring a bell, but its characteristics certainly will, isn't just one star, shining solo in the vast expanse of space. It's actually a pair of red dwarfs, 2 stars intertwined by gravity, orbiting each other in a celestial ballet that has been going on for billions of years. And the best part? They're relatively close, just 8.7 light-years from Earth. These stars are faint, tiny, making them difficult to spot without powerful telescopes. And super active, constantly throwing tantrums in the form of stellar flares. Think of them as cosmic mischief makers, always up to something, always keeping astronomers on their toes. If you're a Star Trek fan, this place might sound familiar, because its location holds a special significance in the Star Trek lore. In Star Trek's universe, Gliese 65 is near Vulcan, a planet of logic and pointy ears. Yep, Spock's homeworld, a place of rich culture and fascinating history, at least in the realm of science fiction. Sorry to disappoint though if you were hoping for real-life Vulcans. No exoplanets discovered here yet. The search continues, but for now, it remains a binary system without any known planetary companions. But with flares and magnetic storms galore, the environment around these stars might be too hostile for life as we know it. Still, who knows what secrets Gliese 65 is hiding? Perhaps future observations will reveal even more surprising aspects of this intriguing system. So next time you look up at the night sky and ponder the mysteries of the cosmos, remember there's a wild double act out there, a pair of red dwarfs putting on a cosmic performance, just waiting to be explored. Who knows what future discoveries await us in the Gliese 65 system? Fascinated by the universe? Want to learn more about the amazing things that are out there? Hit like, smash subscribe, and join our community of space enthusiasts, and boldly go with us to the next cosmic mystery. The universe is calling and we're ready to answer. This tiny red sun is hiding just next door, Ross 154. Never heard of it? Let's take a 1-minute tour through real interstellar space. Ross 154 is a red dwarf star, only 9.7 light-years away, making it one of our sun's closest neighbors. But you won't spot it easily, it's way too faint for the naked eye. Here's a fun fact. Ross 154 is famous in the Star Trek universe as the setting for the planet Berengaria 7, home to those awesome fire-breathing dragons. Sorry, no dragons here in real life, but the star itself is pretty wild. It's a flare star, which means it suddenly gets brighter, blasting out powerful flares that could fry anything nearby. As for planets, astronomers keep searching, and while no exoplanets have been confirmed yet, who knows what secrets Ross 154 is hiding. So next time you look up, remember, even the quietest stars might have wild stories. Hit that like button, subscribe for more cosmic discoveries, and join us next time for another trip across the galaxy.